of stepping on Legos? Your kids aren't the only ones that don't like cleaning up. First, I'll tell you why you want those kids in your village to start cleaning up at an early age, and then I'll share my tips with you on how to make them do it. I'm Jade, and this is my village. You know how to clean up already, but kids will need to learn. They're part of the family that's living in the house too, and will need to contribute to its well-being just like you do. The whole point of being part of the village that raises a child is to prepare them to be amazing adults. Making them responsible for chores also goes a long way in building their self-esteem. They will need to learn these important cleaning skills anyway, since they'll be using them for the rest of their lives. And we've all known a person whose mom did everything for them and now they don't even know how to clean a dish right or how to properly fold a shirt. So ask yourself, do you want them trying to figure out how to be an adult after they move out or while they're under your roof? Let's teach our children the value of hard work and what it means to be responsible and dependent on. If they know that you're depending on them to clean up, they're more likely to do it. I let my toddlers know that there's no magic fairy to clean their cup or pick up that piece of broccoli they just dropped on the floor. For example, if they have toys all spread out on the floor, I'll pretend to step on one and hurt my foot or trip on the floor so they can understand why it's important to be neat and tidy so mommy doesn't get hurt. Plus, as an overall philosophy, I believe too that a cluttered space is really a cluttered mind for everyone. Don't let them start a new activity unless that last activity mess has been cleaned up. This prevents that floor covered in toys and mess. If they are in the habit of cleaning several times a day, you'll never have to deal with a big giant madhouse. Keep in mind that you are not asking them if they want to clean up. Clean up, please, is not a question that allows for a no answer. Give them a 5-minute warning, though, so that they can make a stopping time in their play, because this is like work to them, and they'll likely feel like they need to finish working on whatever their current project is. Be confident in this 5-minute thing. Don't give up or give in to negotiation. They need to know that when Grandpa says we're cleaning up in 5 minutes, we're really going to clean up in 5 minutes. I like to set a timer on Alexa. After 5 minutes is up, make the announcement that it's cleanup time and turn on the cleanup song. There are a bunch out there. Just choose your favorite and try to play the same one for a while. And set them up for success by giving them specific instructions. This is especially important with the 2 and under group, so that they're not overwhelmed and wondering where to start in all of this madness. Those guidance and reminders really go a long way. And make cleaning up fun too. Put all the blue Legos back first. Now the yellow ones. Have them pretend their arms are excavators scooping up the crayons. They like that one. Some kids respond well to trying to beat the timer too. Or you could have a parent against the kids race and see who can clean the fastest. Organize the toys so that everything has a place. You can even go as far as putting a picture or a word label on the bin, and that makes it easy to clean when they know exactly where to put things and where they go. Kids love to feel helpful and feel like they're contributing, so let them help with your own tasks like putting away laundry, cooking, cleaning the floor. Give positive feedback when they do clean up. Remember that if you sound all upset and frustrated, these children will see that stress and they'll either stare at it and be interested, or they'll get stressed out themselves. Either way, they're distracted from cleaning by your craziness. These little boogers are smarter than most people give them credit for. They know exactly what you will let them get away with. If they refuse to clean up, warn them that you'll have to take the toys away and they won't get to play with them for a long time. I've even put them in a short reflective timeout. Not every time though. I save those for when they're being especially disrespectful. Then they'll clean the mess when they come back in order to avoid going to timeout again. You can also use checklists and chore charts with older kids. Whatever their age, they're old enough to do plenty of things on their own. At 2, they can put dirty clothes in the hamper and clean clothes in a drawer. At 11, they can vacuum and clean toilets. They might huff and puff about it, but when they're done, they'll see and hear how proud you are of them, and they'll feel that real sense of accomplishment. And don't tell them they did a fantastic job if they didn't know, obviously. Lastly, always remember that you're the example. If you don't clean up or they hear you complaining to someone about cleaning up your own mess, then they're likely to do the same exact thing. So when you make a mess, say, uh-oh, I spilled the water. I better wipe it up fast before someone comes by and slips on it. Guess what? When they spill water, you'll hear them saying and doing the same exact thing. Let's empower the child and set them up to be successful adults. Can you believe a big step to accomplishing that is just something as simple as having them clean up? So get to it and share this video with everyone that's a part of the child's life. Share your own tips in the comments. Let me know what questions you have or your own struggles. And show me some love by hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.